Welcome, today in front of me POCO F4 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, to do that, we should launch the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sound and vibration section. Here you'll see the notification, ringtone and alarm sections. We can change them here just by select one from available ringtones. If you wanna change the volume of media, ringtone and alarm, you can do it by this way, just by slide to the left or to the right side. That's volume just panels with your finger. We have also here the sound assistant. We can turn on and turn off to adjust the media sound in multiple apps, to activate and turn off multiple audio sources, to allow the speaker sound, and also we can activate the wireless microphone if you wanna do that. Also we can here activate the silent mode by this way, just by click on the switcher, and we can silence media if it's in the silent mode. Or we can turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode. We can set a schedule time, just the start and the end time of the don't disturb. We can just activate it when only device locked, just to notify about just calls from just any contacts, for example, or just from anyone, to notify about the repeated calls. Also we can activate and turn off the vibration for calls, also in silent mode, and we can turn on and turn off the haptic feedbacks, and we can also change the haptic level here. In additional settings, we can see a lot of different options, so we can turn on and turn off the dial buttons, the screen tap sounds, the play sounds when the device is locked, just the screenshot sounds, the uninstalling app sounds, deleting item sounds, the charging sounds, and just starts up sounds of our device. And here in sounds effects, we can also activate and turn off the Dolby items, and to change the headphone remote buttons from volume control level to the control music playback here. And okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.